It must have been some kind of rat or something.
Okay.
Roar, roar, roar.
Whoa! It sounds like it's getting closer.
Yeah.
Oh no!
What is that?
It's a giant bear!
Destroy teddy bears before they destroy you.